Hi, and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success in OMSCS with your host, Tyson Bailey. So today I want to talk about graduate algorithms, the much famed class in this program. So today my first tip is, everything I hear is that dynamic programming is probably more of the most difficult stuff in the class. So make it a goal to at least do one problem every single day until the exam, at least. If you even want to do it more than that, then great. On top of that, start with the practice problems that are in the lectures, then work towards the problems in the book that the lectures recommend, and then try to hit up all the other ones. And then even if you have time, hit more of them outside of those books. So there's the CLRS book. I don't remember I think those are the author's initials or something like that. It's the algorithms book from MIT, I think. And then there's even some other ones. There's Elite Code. You can go practice some problems there, but write them out by hand, understand how they work. You'll actually find that there's actually a very limited subset of problems that you can kind of fit everything into. So once you see that, then you go. So for example, there's a coin changing problem that's very, very similar to knapsack, but instead of you have quantities and values that go into a bag, you have a value, which is your bag, but it's actually the amount of your currency, and then how much you can split it up, and then that's, you know, your quantity of denominations and things like that. So it's kind of cool. This is a little bit longer than a minute, so I apologize, but I really wanted to get this information in there. It's really cool because once you kind of get those core versions of the dynamic programming down and you really understand how they work, you can kind of just reframe problems into those formats and you've got them solved. So figure out how to do that really well just by practice. And he talks about this in the lectures, but I'm just going to reiterate again, practice. And if you're not in the class yet, but you're going to be taking it, hit that practicing up even now. I started practicing a few months back and I just did a couple, and then I've taken a break, and now I feel like it's just clicked a lot easier. So even if you give yourself a little bit of time ahead of time, even a couple of months, it's really going to help you a lot. So good luck. And this was actually 127 seconds to success. Okay, well, have a good one. Bye.